I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Durango RT faster. We'll explore several easy methods to enhance its performance without complex modifications. You can achieve noticeable improvements in acceleration and overall responsiveness. These tips are designed for straightforward implementation, allowing you to enjoy a more exhilarating driving experience. Let's dive into some practical steps you can take today to unleash more power from your Durango RT. One of the simplest and most effective upgrades is installing a cold air intake. By drawing in cooler, denser air, your engine can burn fuel more efficiently, leading to increased power. This modification can add anywhere from 5 to 15 horsepower and noticeably sharpen your throttle response. It's a relatively inexpensive and easy-to-install part that makes a significant difference in your Durango RT's performance. Next, consider a performance tuner or programmer. This device plugs into your vehicle's diagnostic port and recalibrates the engine's computer. It optimizes parameters like fuel delivery, ignition timing, and transmission shift points for maximum power output. Many drivers report gains of 20 to 40 horsepower, transforming the driving dynamics of their Durango RT. It's a powerful tool for unlocking hidden potential. Finally, reducing unsprung weight can significantly impact acceleration. Upgrading to lighter aftermarket wheels and tires means your engine has less mass to spin. This improvement directly translates to quicker acceleration, better braking, and enhanced handling. Even shedding just a few pounds per wheel can make a noticeable difference in how responsive and agile your Durango RT feels on the road. It's a subtle yet effective upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.